Hey Loves Mabuhay! These are my makeup essentials that you must have when you're starting up or you're a beginner. So let's get started! Let's start with the primer. This Pixi by Petra is a flawless and poreless primer. It's very creamy. I really love it and it's set on your face very nice. Just blend it properly and that's it. You can either use your hands, sponge, or brush for application. This foundation, I have been using it forever. I've been bragging about this. It's long lasting. If you want a long wear foundation and concealer, this is your partner. So check it out. You can get it in Shoppers or in any drugstore. Next up would be this Naked concealer. I got it from Sephora. This is Urban Decay and been using it for a while. I still have a lot of it. I barely use concealer because I work from home, so I don't really put makeup every time. So what you can do is just blend it properly and apply it to the area that you think you'll be much needed with. Next off, for your makeup essentials, you need a bronzer, but you don't need an expensive one because drugstore would be your partner for gathering all your makeup essentials. And this bronzer, I think it's only $6 to $7, but if you can't find it in the drugstore, I think cosmetics and some other store will have it. Next would be the Stila blush. Oh, this blush, I love it so much. I got it from the drugstore too, cosmetics area, and it's very creamy and it really blend properly on my face. So try it out and check Stila. Let's talk about eyebrows. So I must say you need a comb and a brush so that you can emphasize your eyebrows properly. And if you want, you can use this pencil, Maybelline. This one is a Maybelline pencil, or you can use a liquid or anything that you prefer for your makeup essentials for your eyebrows. You can either use this kind of eyebrow cream with highlighter or eyebrow liquid. It's very thick, but if that's what you prefer, go for it. Always remember the saying, your eyebrows should be twins. They are not sisters, they are twins. Wow, this is shimmering splendid. The highlighter. This is the bomb if you really want to emphasize those cheekbones, your eyebrows, and your nose lines. Please like this video and subscribe if you think I deserve it. Thank you. Another makeup essential that you must have is this kind of eyeshadow. I prefer nude colors for my eyebrows, and if you want shimmering like this lustrous, it's very nice to apply every night if you are going out. But for now, we need to stay home, so a nude color will be better. Next would be the lashes curler. Some people doesn't really use curling lashes, but I prefer to use one so that the mascara will be more emphasized and it will be apply really nice if you curl your lashes. It will look volumized too because you curl it. Next off would be this lip tint, my favorite. It's 8-hour long wear. I've been using it forever, even I don't go outside. I love seeing my lips red, and you can use it on your cheek as well. It looks really natural, but if you prefer lipstick, you can check this Super Stay Matte Ink from Maybelline New York. It's very affordable. My daughter gave it to me, and it's long lasting. Move on into makeup fixing mist. This mist is for setting your makeup to make it long lasting, and the smell, it's really good. It's rose water and green tea, my favorite blend of mixture of smell. That is it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video really informative. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for good vibes. Thank you, guys. Thank you again, and I'll see you with these videos, this one or this one. Bye.